Start.
Here we will introduce how to use the LED Backpack. Totally it's 3 steps. Step 1. You have to download the LED Space app. This is the QR code for Android. This is the QR code for iOS. Scan the QR code and download the apps. Step 2. Connect your LED app to your backpack. It will be light. The LED screen is light. Now, open your LED app. Click Wi-Fi, find the device. Activate the WLAN and connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. The Wi-Fi post is in the hotspot name is in the backpack inside. Here it is the same. Okay. Once you connect, it will show connected here. Now you can control your backpack screen. For example, let's write. Let's write hello. Okay. Then click send program. Now it's shown here. It's so easy. Thanks.